Hello everybody, I am Priya Lokre, Assistant Professor of Botany, Loknete Ramdas Patil Dhumar, Arts, Science and Commerce College, Rahuri. Today we are going to see our sixth subject, Computational Botany. So, in that, chapter number 1, Introduction to Biostatistics. First of all, let us see the term computational botany. Computational botany involves the development and application of data, analytical and theoretical methods, mathematical modeling, and computational simulation techniques to the study of biological, ecological, behavioral, and social systems. The field is broadly defined and includes foundation in biology, applied mathematics, statistics, biochemistry, chemistry, biophysics, molecular biology, genetics, genomics, computer science, and evolution. So, somewhat lengthy term, but computational botany is the term computational botany is given here, or the subject name is computational botany because we are botany student and we used to study statistics in botany, so hence it is called as computational botany. But the real meaning is biostatistics. So let us understand what is the meaning of, or what is the meaning of term biostatistics. The collection, arrangement, analysis and interpretation of the numerical so as to draw scientific conclusion or to make effective decision is called as biostatistics. Suppose you have collected some seeds from garden, you have arranged them as healthy seeds and diseased seeds. Means now you have converted that seeds into two parts. After that, you have observed the diseased seeds, means that are not suffered, or that are not suffered from only one type of disease. There are three types of disease, means insect disease, fungal disease, and bacterial disease. So now you have converted diseased seeds in another three types. Then you start the analysis of those seeds, whatever why the seeds get diseased, what is the climate. Okay, so these things are called, comes under analysis part, and after that you start to find out the control measure to reduce the disease. So that is called, the overall conclusion is called as interpretation. So all these things you have to do in a, or you have to express, or you have to tell in a numerical form. So in that you can tell us that you have collected 100 seeds, from that 50 are healthy, 50 are diseased, and after that whatever the number of bacterially infected seed, fungal infected seed, and like that, so as to draw. So if after that, if you find something fixed, numeric, means after finding something fixed numerical data, then you can make a scientific conclusion that because due to the climatic condition, or due to the temperature condition, or due to the some insect, or due to some uh, fungal organism, so the infection is lot of, or you can come to the conclusion that due to ignorance the seeds may get diseased. Like that, any form of conclusion you can make after the collection, arrangement, analysis and interpretation in the numerical form. So now you got it. So biostatistics, the term biostatistics is necessary for that. The term statistics is you know the term statistics from your childhood when you was in a first standard. In that 1 plus 1 makes 2, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, like this means 2 apple plus 2 apple makes 4 apple, like this. So from that the term biostatistics starts. The term biostatistics is used here, the word bio is used here because it belongs to life science, biology. Then the statistics, the term is used in every subject, every, even art subject also. So don't think statistics is only in a science. Statistics is everywhere. In art subject also they have to take their sample. They have to decide their sample for their study, for their research purpose, and they have to also show their result in a numerical form or in a statistic form, in a graphical form. Okay, let us go towards the term population. So whenever you heard the term population, certainly one thing comes in your mind, that is this. Population means it is a crowd of men and women. Populations means census. Populations means lok sankhya. So it's not like in a statistic. Population means, in statistics, population always means totality of individual observations about which inferences are to be made, existing anywhere in the world or at least within definite specified sampling area, limited space-time. So for example, all university students in Delhi, all bacteria in a specific bottle of milk. In case of statistics, the meaning of population is not only limited to the means lok sankhya. It is about the number of seeds in a bowl, number of fruits in a carrot, like this. So in that, population is converted into the two types. It means some population is limited to the area, just as I said, number of seeds in bowl. So number of population of seeds is limited only to the bowl. After that, infinite number of populations. So let us see another definition of population. The population is an entire set of an individual object which may be finite or infinite. Finite population, the employers of a given company, means the number of employers is only limited to that of particular company. The number of airplanes owned by an airlines. So here any particular airlines, whatever number of airplanes they have owned. Then infinite population, the grains of sand on the beaches of the world. So it is not possible to count also. So but it is the type of infinite population. So look at this. These are some smiley faces, as you all used to, as you all use in your WhatsApp also. So these are the single smiley face means these are number of individuals present in a particular area. So it is called so it is the best representation of the population. Then look at this, population of trees in forest. Here population of sunflower seeds in bowl. Then let us see about the sample. A sample is any subgroup or subaggregate drawn by some appropriate method from population. For example, what happened? Uh, if you clear the term, if you well understand the term population in statistics, what is the meaning of population in statistics, then you will easily understand the meaning of sample here also. The sample means what you can say, show me some sample. When you used to go any sweet mart and you have selected some, for example, you have selected one type of mithai, then obviously you would like to check the test. Okay, and after that you decide it is good or not, like this. So it is called a sample. So there, for example, there is a 1 kg mithai in that showcase. So what the vendor do? He offers you just a small piece of that mithai, and by tasting the small piece of mithai, you have drawn the conclusion about 1 kg of mithai. Okay, so this is called sample. The sample is any subgroup or subaggregate drawn by some appropriate method from population. So we sometimes what happened, we cannot study the whole population because of money limitation, because of time limitation, and it is not convenient to ourselves to study the whole population, because sample is as a representative of that particular population. After tasting a simple piece of that mithai, so we can conclude about the taste and quality of that 1 kg of mithai. So there is no need to eat, or there is no need to taste the whole 1 kg of 1 kg mithai. So is that clear? So a sample is the representative of whole population. So no need to check each and every individual of that population. So what should we have to do? If we have to study something, so we cannot individually, or we cannot do study of the whole population because of time limitation, money limitation, and it is not means convenient. So for that, it is some let us see another definition of sample. It is some segment of the population that is examined and measures as an aid to the investing property of parents' population. Or simple definition, a part of population is called a sample. And here is, the sample must be large enough to reflect the population. So the size of sample is quite, means you have to decide uh, how much sample you have to take, then the sample will be well representative of that particular population. Here, look at this, as we have seen here. So from these number of smiley faces, just I have selected 5 smiley faces as the representative of this whole population. Like this, here 3 stars I have selected as a sample to make a conclusion about the whole population. Now look at here. Uh, Advantages of using sample. What are the advantages of using sample? Generally, population is very large and it is not possible to study the entire population. As I said earlier, also taking observation of the whole population may involve many large amount of money and time. It is possible to study a sample more carefully and accurately than study a large number of individuals of a whole population. However, the study based on sample can lead a wrong conclusion. May it if there is something, the sample is not a whole population, you can see clearly here, but we could not study the whole population. That's why we have to take a sample as a representative of that population, but sometimes the conclusion may get wrong, or selection of the sample size may get wrong. So let us see here what is the actual problem behind the wrong conclusion. Sample size is not appropriate, and second one is sample selection is not correct.